the Elite Edition, the Elite XL. Not 100% on what I'm going to call it so far, other than this is the Mac Daddy Heritage Rough Rider 16-inch stock, the best in the entire world. Full body stock, customizable parts, removable parts, onboard ammo storage, onboard magnum cylinder, and then you have all these cool graphics and effects. We do our own hand grips, we have sling mounts. You can customize multi-layer right here, so you could have a laser in the front, a normal optic up top. We do have the slot vents on this side, so if you had the golden cylinder, you'd be able to see that puppy shine through. And then you have your working port right here where you can eject out your rounds. So this thing's pretty much beast mode. We're gonna go ahead and just run through a couple 22 long rifle and 22 Magnum, just so you guys can get some sound bites out of it. And we'll break it down once we get back home. All right, ready to demo 22 long rifle. Boom. All right, here's a little demonstration of how we eject the rounds here. 2 clicks over, open up your gate, and then I did 3D print an extender on this. Makes it a lot easier, but you don't have to. And then you would just boom, load in your next round, get back at it. All right, guys, if you want one, you know where to go.